Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Tart preparation. 100 grams butter at room temperature. 25 ml vegetable oil. Half cup castor sugar. Mix well. Add 2 egg yolk. 2 tablespoon cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. Pinch of salt. Mix well. 2 cup all-purpose flour add gradually. Knead the dough. Do not overmix. Fill the tart mold. Prick the base lightly with the fork. Keep in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Filling preparation. 100 grams milk chocolate. 1/3 cup warm whipping cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. 10 grams butter. 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Half cup castor sugar. Mix well. Add 1 egg. Mix nicely. Half cup almond powder. Mix well. After 30 minutes. Fill the tart. Garnish with chopped almonds and pistachio. Bake in preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Decorate with chocolate sauce. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.